In this video, I'll show you how to create a subscription product on Square. First, sign in to your Square dashboard and open the Items and Orders or Subscriptions section. Make sure the product or service you want to offer is already available in your Square catalog. Next, open Subscriptions and choose the option to create a new subscription plan. Enter a name for the subscription and select the product or service customers will receive as part of the plan. After that, set the subscription price and billing frequency. Choose whether customers should be charged weekly, monthly, or on another available schedule. You can also configure other options, such as a free trial or subscription duration if they're available for your account. Now, review the subscription settings carefully. Make sure the product, price, billing schedule, and customer options are correct. Save the subscription plan when you're finished. Next, choose how customers will sign up. Depending on your Square setup, you can share a subscription link or use Square's available online selling tools to let customers subscribe. Finally, test the subscription process before sharing it with customers. Confirm that the checkout page displays the correct product and recurring price, and verify that the subscription appears correctly in your Square dashboard. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create a subscription product on Square. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.